Toyota enthusiasts, get ready for fantastic savings this Memorial Day at Conicelli Toyota. This Memorial Day, we're bringing you exclusive specials to keep your Toyota running smoothly all summer long. Rev up your savings with our brake special coupon. Get front brake pad installation for only $99.95. Ensure clear visibility on your summer drives with our buy one wiper, get the other blade for free. Take advantage of Toyota Service Care for as low as $270. Or if you're interested in upgrading to Toyota Care Plus, speak with one of our friendly service advisors for additional information. Don't miss out on these amazing Memorial Day specials only here at Conicelli Toyota. Simply call us at 888-289-5948 or visit our website at conicelliservice.com to schedule your service appointment today. Conicelli Toyota Service Center, a nice place to do business.